Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy a settlement offer with MyDivorcePapers, full guide step by step clearly. To deploy a settlement offer with MyDivorcePapers, first, visit the official MyDivorcePapers website. Create an account or log in to your existing account. Once logged in, navigate to the settlement offers section on the dashboard. Review the information provided about what a settlement offer entails. Click on the Start Your Settlement Offer button to begin the process. Fill out the required personal information, including your name and contact details. Provide your spouse's information, ensuring accuracy to avoid delays. Clearly outline the terms of the settlement offer you wish to propose. Include details such as custody arrangements, property division, and any financial considerations. Utilize the templates provided for guidance, but ensure that your offer reflects your unique situation. Double-check all entered information for accuracy. Once you are satisfied, proceed to review your settlement offer. Ensure that all terms are clear and mutually beneficial. After finalizing the review, click on the Submit button to send your offer. You will receive a confirmation that your settlement offer has been submitted successfully. Keep a copy of your offer for your records. Monitor your account for any updates or responses regarding your settlement offer. If you receive a counteroffer, review it carefully and consider your options. Continue communication through the MyDivorcePapers platform to maintain a record of discussions. Finalize the agreement when both parties reach a mutual understanding. Ensure all agreed terms are accurately documented before concluding the process. Congratulations, you have successfully deployed a settlement offer using MyDivorcePapers. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.